You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, which is obviously very similar to the name in English called Peter, or Peter as the Americans would say it, which means obviously rock, and it's a biblical name. This is a different spelling, often Dutch spelling from the Netherlands. So the Dutch pronunciation is Pieter, Pieter. So it's essentially like Peter, but not a long E. Pieter, Pieter. Therefore, in English, you can simply say it as Peter or Peter. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.